What's up, everyone? This is Bunny. Today I want to talk about the Bissell. Now, it would be good if what is important is sometimes news that doesn't come to news often because you can see how much expected the thing is. You can see this thing is a pretty nice looking machine right here. And then you can see this is the model 2030. It released in 2020. And what I do like about it, you can actually move the base, and also you can actually move this one, so you can use it as a hand vacuum, or if you want to use it as a set vacuum, you can move one, or you can actually just use like this, or you can actually do like this, like it's difficult what it is exactly, because it's pretty, but I know the wheels are kind of broken on this thing. It still does operate just fine exactly because not expecting this thing exactly because what I like about this thing, well, it's kind of cool in my opinion, but one thing I really do something with it is I don't like this kind of hold a cord on it because whatever, because you can tell this thing's that's what it is exactly. It does move walking back and forth with, which when you walk back and forth like this, it says a little side to side movement, which it's definitely what it is exactly. It's got a cool hook on it, so you can tell it's got like a cool hook on it, so you can see about stepping. Not as bad as you can get exactly, because it's one thing to know how expected this thing, but this thing has actually was usual like quite basically. This thing will be used every Mondays and Fridays. It's something you know, but you know it's the type of what it is.